Have you heard about the recent recalls involving Ryobi products? If you own a Ryobi 40-volt brushless lawnmower, listen up. Major safety concerns have come to light that you need to know. Ryobi issued recalls for two of its popular pressure washers and lawnmowers after numerous reports of overheating and fire hazards. Over 200,000 units of lawnmowers and more than 700,000 pressure washers were affected. The affected lawnmowers include specific models with serial numbers ranging from KC21032D010001 to KC21327N999999. You can find this information inside the green mower housing. The lawnmowers have distinct features: a black cutting deck, gray top housing, and a black bag with Ryobi printed on it. Here's what you should watch for if you own one of these mowers. These mowers were recalled because some have a push-on connector inside the power head that can overheat. This poses a significant fire hazard, as reported by 97 users. To make matters worse, 5 fires have been reported, resulting in minor burn injuries. If you suspect your lawnmower is affected, you should stop using it immediately. Your next step is to contact TTI Outdoor Power Equipment Inc. for instructions. They will guide you on disabling the mower and provide a free replacement 21-inch walk-behind mower. These lawnmowers were sold at the Home Depot and Direct Tools factory outlet stores nationwide from February 2021 to January 2025. In addition to these lawnmowers, Ryobi's 40-volt 24-inch cordless hedge trimmers were also recalled recently for a different reason. They can unexpectedly activate, posing a laceration hazard. This recall was issued on June 12. To sum it all up, if you own a Ryobi product, especially a lawnmower or pressure washer, please check the model and serial numbers. Ensure your safety by stopping use and following the necessary steps for a replacement. For more information, please consult the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on similar safety alerts.